Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new iPhone 16 Pro that was just released. This is the black titanium version, so let's get started. So right off the bat, you can see the box hasn't changed a bit. There's a new wallpaper, and then if you look at the back, similar stuff as you can see here. This is the 128 gig, which is the lowest storage that you can get. You can get it up to 1 terabyte, but this is only the 16 Pro, not the Max. So let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm going to go ahead and stop by taking off these. So let's go ahead and remove. And then from the bottom here. Oh, once you take that off, let's go ahead and take a look. So this is what it looks like. So I try to shine the light in different angles so you can really get the angles. And from there on, let's go ahead and see what's in the box, right? So we'll go ahead and see that's the new camera control. In the box you get is the USB-C cable. Similarly, there's just a new redesigned box inside. And then of course the pamphlet. This one has an eSIM card, so there's just the instructions for it. So we'll put that aside. And let's go now. There is no block, so you have to get your own wall adapter block. And taking a look at the sides here, we'll take this off. Quick little ASMR for you. And this is what you're looking at. As I mentioned, this is the camera control here. It's really flat right there. And the bottom grill as well. So the black one in different lighting again. And of course the front here. This is a 6.3 inch display, so I'm going to go ahead and press on this to power it on here. And as you can see here, the action button from the previous 15 version. And then the overall look. And it does come with the A18 Pro chip with 8 gigs of RAM. The battery is a 3582 mAh battery, which is supposed to last for 27 hours. So let's go ahead and take a look. We got a new wallpaper. I'm going to slide up here and then select a language. I'm going to do a quick setup so you can see how it looks like. You can choose your default appearance. Continue. I'm not going to set any of this up, but I do need to connect to Wi-Fi here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Click on join here. As I mentioned, this is how it will look like. My hands are medium size, a little bit on the smaller side, but that's how it would fit in your hand if you're considering this one. And I'll do a quick comparison with the Pro Max as well in terms of the size. So I'll just go later, hit continue here, set up for myself. You can always set this up yourself, which I recommend. Make sure you put, of course, passcode, transfer your data over, but we're not doing any of that. We're simply skipping through so you can take a look at what it looks like. And you want to go ahead and sign into your Apple ID or create a free account, and then all of these services and eSIM card if you want to set that up. I'm just skipping that so I can see here. And then the silent button, and then we're gonna see where you get, and the action button, which you can customize, which I'm not gonna do. Camera control. So this is the new camera control right here. As I mentioned, you can control the camera with that, which we'll show you in a second. And then Siri, and welcome to iPhone. So this is what it's gonna look like when you set it up. And then a quick comparison between the Pro Max. So this is the 16 Pro Max we unboxed. If you want to take a look at that, this is the new desert color, which I'll leave a link for this unboxing as well. But a quick look at the size difference between them, 6.1 inch versus 6.9. So let's not go ahead and connect them. That's what you're looking at. And if you're doing a color comparison, that's what it's going to look like. The new desert versus black one. Which one would you prefer or like? Leave a comment in the comment section, or if you already bought it, let us know which size and what color you opted with and the settings as well. And let's go ahead and take a quick look at the camera control, which we'll go ahead and try. So the camera control, let's go into video mode. If I click on it, it starts recording. If I do photo here and I click on it, I can actually just toggle that around. As you can see here, cool little action button right there. Take a look at that. And then all of the default, this does come with iOS 18, so you're going to see slightly different version of it. And it does have that 120 hertz refresh rate on it built in. Again, $9.99 plus tax, of course, in the United States. It's only eSIM on the United States version, so there's no physical SIM. But if you get out of the somewhere else, you might have a physical SIM. But that's how the Black 16 Pro looks like. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more unboxing videos like this. We'll see you guys next time.